In this video, I will be showing you the General tab for employees and contractors in Employer on the Go. Depending on the level of access granted by your payroll company, you may or may not have access to all the features that we're discussing in this video. This feature in Employer on the Go is set up to gather and enter some general information about your employee. If you're adding a new employee or contractor, you can select the plus icon in the shortcuts that says Add Employee. This will take you directly to the General tab for adding a new employee or contractor. If you need to review or update an existing employee, you will instead select Employees in the menu and then Employees and Contractors. You can select which employee you would like to view and then select the General tab. If you need to edit this data, select Edit on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. There is a delete icon here, but I highly recommend to never ever delete an employee that you have processed any payroll for. The fields with the red asterisks are required fields, and the file will not save without completion. The general information consists of the employee ID, which is an 8-digit ID that identifies this employee. This will pre-fill to the next available number in line when a new employee is added. Alias ID is used for a time card. If the employee is using a time clock to track their hours worked and need to clock in with a card, this will be that card number. Prefix is FYI only. Last name, first name, and middle name. Suffix is FYI only. Social Security number is a required field. If you do not have the Social Security number at the time that you're entering the employee, you can select Not on File. If this is a 1099 contractor, you can format the Social Security field as a contractor's EIN number. Status is active, must be active in order to pay an employee. Other options include inactive, retired, FMLA, and terminated. Gender is optional. Nationality, ethnic origin, and suborigin are used if you are creating the EEO-1 reporting. The birth date field is used in our system if the employee is participating in a retirement program and is old enough to qualify for the catch-up. Our system will confirm the age by looking at the birth date. On the right-hand side of the screen, if you have document storage activated for your company, you can upload a picture of that employee. Select Upload and find the file on your computer. The employee information consists of position class, full-time, part-time, seasonal, or temporary. Hire date is the date the employee was hired. If you're calculating accruals based on an employee's years of service, the system will look at this date to see which rate to calculate. The seniority date is used if the employee leaves your company and then returns. They may be grandfathered in for accrual benefits. If there is a date in this field, the accruals based on years of service will be calculated off of this date. Separation date. Once you've paid the employee their final check, you will then mark them inactive. Enter the separation date here. If the employee was recalled to your company, you would enter the recall date. These comments are FYI only and do not show anywhere else but here. You will need to choose the employee's home, division, location, and department. And if your company has the document storage activated, you'll be able to upload documents to this employee's file and view them at any time. If you have any further questions or need further assistance, please contact your payroll company. Thank you.